here we are dry roasting the ingredients. So take a pan. So the pan is heating now, so we are adding 1/4 cup of urad dal. So dry roast this until it is slightly golden brown. So now we have added here the suji. This is also called as Bombay Rava. Here we have taken 1 cup of suji. So follow the same procedure. Roast the rava until it is slightly golden brown, and we need to dry roast these ingredients separately. So one by one we need to dry roast and take it in a plate. So now we are adding coriander powder for about 1 teaspoon, and here we are adding garam masala. Here we are adding garam masala for about 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are adding the sambar powder. Here we have taken 3 teaspoon. And here we are adding the roasted suji. And along with that we are also adding the powder, that is urad dal. And mix them well. So here we are adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So friends, here we have taken 3 tablespoons of oil and we have kept for heating. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt. So here we have added 1.5 cup of maida. So friends, here we are adding the oil which is heat now. So we are just pouring into the maida. So here we have put the hot oil and we need to mix it well to make a smooth batter. So for this mixture we are adding 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. So friends, here we are adding 1/2 cup of soji. So here friends, we are adding water. So see the consistency, we have to make a dough like this, similar how we make it for chapati. So we need to make a smooth dough out of it. So friends, here we have prepared the dough, and after that we have kept it for 1 hour, and then now we are going to proceed with further process. So now the dough is ready, and just make small balls out of it. So you can see the size of the ball here. This should be fine for us to prepare the biscuit roti. And you can just press it like this. Either you can do it in hand, or you can also use the material which we usually use to prepare chapati. So this is how we do the stuffing. So whatever the masala that we prepared earlier, just stuff it inside properly and cover it, and then you can keep it aside. So here is another one. So just do this way, and this is how you put the stuffing inside. Make sure you cover the edges properly so that there is no stuffing comes out. And this is how you cover it. So once we have put the stuffing, this is how you have to just press it. Make it a round shape. So now here we have kept the oil for heating, and our oil is hot now, and we are just leaving the biscuit roti one by one very slowly. Just press the edges. And now we are turning to another side. Just fry them until it is golden brown. So now you can see this is how it looks. So it's very crispy, and the inside stuffing is also nicely well combined with the biscuit roti.